Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can download Microsoft Copilot. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, let me tell you about Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft AI-powered Copilot Assistant is coming to the Edge browser. The company announced Tuesday Copilot in the Edge uses whatever website the user is currently visiting as context to complete tasks elsewhere, such as in Office documents, Outlook emails, and other places with Microsoft 365 Copilot reach. Now, for example, if you're in corporate sales and visiting a potential client's website, you can ask Copilot in Edge to summarize everything about that lead as discussed in the meetings, emails, and chats. Now, Copilot can also suggest you the information you are looking at and reply to an email you receive from your supervisor about how the lead is coming along. Now, Edge will support the new Microsoft 365 Copilot plugins, which can enable experiences where people interact with apps using chatbot prompts. Microsoft 365 Copilot is currently only available in private preview and must be used in conjunction with an Azure AD-based work account. With the addition of Edge, this account requirements remains in the effective, meeting existing commitments to data security and privacy in the enterprise, according to the press release. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.